Hi guys, my name is Nitin Sachdeva. I'm the co-chair for Meeting Means Business India. And today I have Miss Tanuja Pandey, who is the founder of Mice Online. I want to welcome Tanuja who has joined the Positivity campaign. Thank you so much, Tanuja.
Yeah, thanks, Nitin, for having me.
Talking about you, Tanuja, how are you approaching this situation, and what are you doing in your lockdown period time to take things in a positive and a productive manner ahead?
So this situation was, of course, a big shocker for all of us, especially in terms of mice, because mice means groups, events means groups. So this is the time when you cannot just do anything. Everything has postponed or cancelled. But having said that, hope is a great enabler, and this has given me time actually. And the team that I shifted on to an online platform much earlier, a couple of years back. So this has actually given us the time to consolidate our own product, build on it, do a lot of bug fixes, have innovations, because as I see the way forward, that this adversity has actually given us a lot of opportunity. We need to leave the convention ways of thinking and doing business and get into the new possibilities of doing business.
Well, I think it's important, as you rightly mentioned, we need to see the positive and the opportunity side during this crisis, and I believe that we all have time to look upon all of this stuff. In my previous conversations with you, I've always remembered when I have spoken to Tanuja, you have always spoken about ethics and transparency. Do you think that it is more than ever a requirement now post COVID-19?
It's actually a time for contemplation and transformation. Having said that, ethics have always played a big part in any business. Unfortunately or fortunately, not all follow them. But this time of crisis, we have, it has not just in business, even in our personal lives, we have learned to value things.
Yeah.
Having, the transparency and ethics form such a big part of our business process that today, our end customer, for one business, that there are 10 people beating down for the same business, undercutting. At the end of it, the only person who profits is that customer who already had a budget to spend, but he ends up spending less, which means he ends up giving us our due, which is much lesser because he gets the better end of it. So I think now is the time to actually consolidate your thoughts and collaborate and come down to best practices in the industry. We should have things like a common, not a common pricing, I would say, but a minimum limit on which we will not go ahead. So, if we all of us come together and we form together a committee, which probably can keep in check how we are going to do business, because if we had planned all this before, today we would not have been asking government that give us rebates, because it's our business and we should have the best practices and business continuity plan in place, which many of us have not had. So I think the best practices, ethics and transparency will all come into the picture going forward.
Yes, you're right. And I think you're talking about regulatory framework, which is very much required. Yeah. And I believe, our government will definitely, you being a part of the National Tourism Advisory Committee, you will play a big role, I believe, in rallying this to the right people. And we all are looking forward to work with you.
Thank you so much, Nitin, for having me. And all the best to everybody in the business, in our industry. Remember, hope is a great enabler, and whatever has happened, we just need to look forward and think of how we are going to take it up from here. And trust me, the things will only become better. We only have to look ahead in a positive way. Thank you, and bye-bye, everybody. Best of luck.
Thank you so much, Tanuja. It was a pleasure, having you on the Positivity campaign and you sharing your thoughts.
Yeah.
Sure, a lot of people will benefit out of that. And I would urge everybody to watch all the episodes, because you will find different perspectives, and it will really help you to drive more and positive conversations with your peers, with your family, And this point of time, I would want to sign off and say, please stay safe. Thank you so much.